Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the error code 0x800c0005. Your PC is not connected to the internet, and we're going to go about resolving this hopefully without too much of a hassle. And we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a few commands in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy each one at a time. There's 3 separate commands. They all start with REG. So again, just copy the first one from my description. So just highlight over it and then right click on it and copy, or Control C, whatever method you prefer, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste, hit enter. Should say it has succeeded. Do the same thing for the next 2 here. We're just going to paste them in, and then finally the last one. So once that is done, we're going to go ahead and close it here. Would suggest restarting your computer and see if that has resolved your problem. And then one more thing we can do here would be to open up the start menu, type in CMD again, best match, command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, yes. And now we're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter on your keyboard. Should say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. So netsh winsock reset, hit enter on your keyboard. You will need to restart your computer in order to complete the reset, and then once your computer has restarted, hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.